Hi guys! Renata from Crafty Renata here. I get a lot of questions about hair care, specifically about the products I like to use. Now, I do mention products regularly in hair care routine videos, in favorites videos, etc. But I thought it might be interesting for those of you who, are interested in hair care and in hair care products to make a video of my top 5 hair care products of 2018. So the 5 products I have loved the most in the past year. On the 5th place, I have a hair mask. It's a 3-minute hair mask by a brand called Daily Defense, and it's the Breakage Defense sulfate-free keratin jojoba hair mask. It's a mouthful, but this is a really good and also a really inexpensive hair mask. It smells incredibly nice. I just love the scent. It has a very creamy texture, a very creamy consistency, and it really melts into your hair. It smells incredible. It also really detangles my hair, which is great. I really want that from a product, especially with really long hair. You don't want anything that leaves the tangles in your hair because that's not good. Then you're gonna start tugging and damaging your hair, so you don't want that. It also doesn't make my hair feel heavy at all, so when I use it, my hair is very light afterwards and super soft, shiny. It feels very moisturized, nourished, and it looks great. It has a nice shine to it, and yeah, I think this is a really great product. On the 4th place, I have a leave-in by Gliscure, and it's the Ultimate Oil Elixir Oil Repair Cream Treatment with nourishing micro oils. A leave-in is a product that you put on your hair and then you don't wash your hair afterwards, so you just leave it in. The name says it all. I really like this product. I mostly use it on my hair ends, and it really makes them feel super hydrated. It doesn't, because the ends of your hair, especially with long hair or very long hair, the ends of your hair can get dry, and this is really good at preventing that or even fixing it when they are dry. So no breaking, no dry ends anymore. You can put it on the rest of your hair as well, but use it sparingly. Only use a tiny little bit, because otherwise your hair might start feeling greasy, because it does have oils in it. So don't use a whole lot, just a little bit, like a pea size for quite a big part of your hair. But I love this product. It's really good. You can really tell when I have it on. It just feels really nice. It's also, again, it detangles for some reason. It doesn't say that it does, but it does. It's anti-frizz, so especially now in winter, I really like that, because otherwise my hair gets all these flyaways when I have a braid and everything. So yes, and it smells incredible again. I would definitely recommend this product. By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to click the like button to show your support. In the 3rd place, I have another hair mask, and I've only discovered this about a month and a half ago, but yes, I love it so much that I want to put it in the 3rd place for the entire past year, because I am really obsessed with it. I hope it's not a temporary thing, but I'm a little bit worried it might be, because these often are. It's by the brand 7th Heaven, and it's the Argan Oil Rescue Mask for dry and frizzy hair. And it comes in this little sachet, and I really do like the look of the packaging. I always think it's very cute. I just wish the products from the brand came in bottles as well. Bottles! In bottles! Okay, got a little carried away there. But yes, I like it that much that I would buy a bottle like that. But they don't. They only sell things, their products in these sachets, and I don't know why. That's, to me, the only downside about this product. I love that they do offer these sachets, because it's nice if you just want to try something for once and you're not sure if you're gonna like it. Then it's better than to have to buy an entire bottle. It's also handy to put in your overnight bag or in your suitcase if you're going on a holiday or something. But if you really like it and you don't go anywhere like me, I never go on a trip, then it would be handy to just have bottles. So yes, but anyway, I really like this. This smells incredible. I will say this about every product that's in my video. I love the scent of all of these, but this one, ooh, next level scent. It's really creamy, it feels wonderful on your scalp. You can leave it on from 1 to 5 minutes, but you can always leave a mask on longer, a hair mask that is, not a face mask, because some face masks, if you leave them on for much longer, you might get irritation on your skin. But with hair masks, that's not really the case, so you don't have to worry about that. I often leave something like this on for 15 minutes, never had any issues with it at all. It really nourishes my hair, so my hair feels and looks amazing. It's super shiny, super soft, detangles well, and yes, I really like it. Because I love it so much, I got one for my sister and I told her, you have to try this, it is so good. And she was quite excited about trying it because I was raving about it. And she liked the scent, she liked how it felt on her hair, but she tried to comb through her hair and it didn't go very well at all. So the detangling aspect of this hair mask didn't work for her, which just shows you again how different hair types have different needs and different products work differently for different people. Because sometimes, I recommend things that work great for me, but I don't know all of your hair types and, so it might not work for you. And yeah, I don't want to get complaints from people saying, and you recommended this to me and it doesn't work well at all. That's probably just because it doesn't work on your hair type, but it did really well for me. Because I would obviously never recommend something that doesn't work well for me. I don't see the point in that at all. Not even if I were sponsored or anything, I would just always be honest about how I like something and how I don't like something. But I really like this. In second place comes the Nivea Hair Milk, and I use the one for fine hair, even though my hair is actually not that fine. It's more between fine and normal, but I feel like products for fine hair work really well on my hair, and that's why I always use them. Again, I love the way this smells. And the scent lingers for a long time, so you really do have to love the scent, which I do. So I love that I get a whiff of it every now and then when I have it on. It's super detangling, it's great for my hair. I feel like since I've been using it, the condition of my hair has improved. Yeah, it's just not, it doesn't dry out anymore. It's always detangled, it has a nice shine to it. It just feels like vitamins for your hair. I don't know how else to put it, but that's how it is. And it says, intensive nourishment, heat protectant, anti-breakage, gives volume, gives shine, it does give shine, strengthens and detangles. So a lot of promises, and I feel like they're all true. Yeah. And we have a winner on the first place. Drum roll. We have, yes, you already guessed it. If you have been watching my videos, you have seen this many times already. It's the Ultra Dew or Whole Blends. It's a different name for the same company, same brand. In different countries it has a different name. It's the Ultra Dew Reconstructive Serum for your hair ends. But I use it on my entire hair because I just love it so much, and this is incredible. Again, smells really nice. It has a little pump, so it's a serum, which means you only need a tiny little bit. It makes my hair super nice and shiny, very moisturized. It keeps your hair moisturized, so it doesn't dry out anymore when you have it on. Just makes my hair look so good, smell so good, feel so good. My hair loves this stuff. It just loves it. It just soaks it up immediately, and yeah, it's just happiness for my hair in a bottle, basically. What this product is actually for is to repair your split ends. You can't repair split ends, not really. They'll always be split, but what it does, if you have a split end, it kind of binds it together. So it's like a glue holding it together, but it just feels good. It feels good, it doesn't tear further, it doesn't split further. So yeah. If you don't want to cut your hair but you do have split ends, then this is absolutely great. It also prevents split ends, so if you have long hair or you're growing your hair, I would definitely recommend this. But I have a feeling, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's being discontinued because the stores where I used to buy it, they don't have it anymore in their assortment, which is very weird. And when I went looking online, I couldn't find it anywhere except in one local store here, one online store here that still had a few available, but only a few bottles. So that sort of tells me that it's probably being discontinued. I really hope I'm wrong, because I would be devastated. So I bought 2 bottles just in case, but when they're gone and it does get discontinued, I will be very sad because I haven't found anything like this that works just as well. Although I did buy something new from Elseve, I thought it was. And it's also a hair serum, also for split ends. So I bought that sort of as a replacement, but I haven't been able to try it out as much yet, so I can't really... I tried it out a couple of times and it seems to be pretty good, but I need to use it for a longer period of time to really give you an idea of whether it's as good as this. But I don't think anything is as good as this. I think that's wishful thinking, but yep. I would say get it while you can because it might be discontinued soon. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If you did enjoy it and you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!